Ndemasiari. Bovuani. Kakati yauli. Sanibonani. Legai tumelang khotso ngayati. Maybe I just need to put things in a perspective. We have formed a partnership, the Not Foundation. I'm a founder member of a men's social movement called Kulumandot. And this symbolizes the unity that we have come to agree on. And we share quite a lot of things in common. And this is perhaps why we are here. I just want to do, there's a mantra, program director, if you would allow me to just mistute. I want to play with one word, and the word is Ngondo. And you using Ngondo, God created something quite powerful. Ngondo, the mind, Talohanyo. But I want us to play with this word because I think it does somehow address the issues that have brought us here together. It does somehow force us to reflect on who we are and why we do the things that we do in every day of our lives. So the word is Ngondo, and can we all say Ngondo? 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 So whatever I say, your only response is Ngondo. Right? Ngondo? Ngondo? Uskachomana lemuti osinang? Uskachomana lemuti osinang? But I can't hear you. Liskela chomana lemuti osinang? Because utlo etsanto tesinang? Uskewa skima umuntu ongena? Because you kaiskime singena? Ungathandani nomuntu ongena? Ngoba uzoga uthando olungena? Ungahambi nomuntu ongena? Ngoba uyokuhambisa endleleni engena? Ungastadishi nomuntu ongena? Ngoba uyogaya imfundiso engena? Ungajoli nomuntu ongena? Ngoba uzogaya umjolo ongena? Ungashadi nomuntu ongena? Ngoba uyogaya umshado ongena? Ungabi nechomi engena? Ngoba uzogaya uchomi obungena? Chomana nomuntu one? Ngoba uzogaya uchomi obune? Thandana nomuntu one? Ngoba uzogaya uthando olune? Shada nomuntu one? Ngoba uzakunikeza umshado one? Studisha nomuntu one? Ngoba uzogaya istudy esine? Ngondo? Ngondo? Eyogcina ungaphuzi nomuntu ongena? Ngoba uyokuphuzisa izinto ezingena? Uphuze nomuntu one? Ngoba uzokuphuzisa isiphuzo esine? Ngondo? Ngondo? Remember that all your lives you'll be able to find questions to some of the problems that we have. It is indeed innate that gender-based violence over the years has taken a synonym that simply seeks to mean, or it is taken simply to mean a synonym gender is woman. So when we speak of gender-based violence, we normally refer to the abuse or the violence that is committed against women and children. We never speak of the violence. We somehow take it to the violence, gender-based violence. So the word violence and abuse becomes therefore synonymous, and it becomes unsynonymous, nabo mama. Many men, it is true, have been convicted for things that they had not done. Many men are denied their right to access abantwana. Many men are called absent fathers, not by choice, but by design. That's the relationship, Saruna. We are fully aware that men leave their homes just so there can be peace. The one thing that I respect about some of the guys in South Africa that I associate with, it's the ability and the character they have shown to be able to move away from violence, to walk away from violence. And I think I agree Lintwana yake Njabulo, and I salute him for standing up to speak about these things and share his experience. It is an encouragement, Njabulo, my son, that you are saying to us there is, it is encouraging for Majita what he's doing today. And I think he's going to continue with this campaign to tell Majita there is no reason whatsoever, no excuse to find yourself being angry to a point where you want to take out that anger on the person who had wronged you. In particular, Mutuwa Musati. The best strong man is the one who says, yes, I'm hurting, but I'm going to walk away. I'm not going to be defined by the actions. This person can call you names. It does not change that I am Patrick Shai. I can be called whatever names and keep it so useless and this and that. It does not change what God has made me and meant me to be. For as soon as I respond, it means I'm qualifying the statements that are attributed to me. But I think the implication, abe safe havens for our kids. Sometimes supporter in the stance that we take against their fathers. These kids are growing up angry. Tomorrow the very same kid is going to accuse you, program director, as a mother, Armuena, you denied me the right to have a father. There will come that time, and Njabulo is right to say, you can run and dodge, but you cannot dodge the consequences of dodging. These kids that we have, Kostrate, Baba Yetsang Dinyau, Harina Bontate, some of them do not have the fathers because the mothers are angry with their fathers. Some of them, Baba, so angry that they take it out on women, Baba Jola and Libona, because they feel that their fathers were treated badly by their mothers. So the consequences that the decisions Tarona, they are very, very dire on what happens to this boy, what happens to this girl. Because Ohola Agi Munna trash. So you cannot expect this little boy to do anything positive because it's been ingrained in him that you are trash. So act like trash. Call a dog by any name. It will behave accordingly. So Arichan Jane, this Njabulo, you can imagine what he's gone through. He's got now to live with the stigma, a rapist, for something that he did not do. He's going to have children. First he's going to want to marry, and when he gets married, people will be talking in his hood, but hey, Uzoshatwa he rapist, because these things don't go away. When he's got kids, Aloba registrar, the teachers that know him are going to say, yo, guess umntwana we rapist. So the stigma stays. Your lie can never be removed. It is something that Njabulo will wear for the rest of his life. But I want to say to you, my son, you have all of us here, Abu Baba Abayi, to give you the support that you need. Njabulo. Okay. Zogala impincham. Yeah. I want to say to you, you're not going to walk alone in your new journey. We are going to be with you all the way, every day, every second, every mile, and walk with you and amplify this. And also invite other Majita Abakawategile to come on board. We are not promoting hate against women. We are not coming up, as you said, with another campaign that says women are doing this and that. We are saying men's rights are human rights as well. Thank you for your fight. Thank you for having started so you can help Amanya Majita. So we are saying today, thank you, my son. Thank you. Oh, okay.
Kunento esalile engifuna ukuyidlulisa kwabo mama. Abo mama into eyenzakalayo if uboshe becala ongalazi uphuma ejele une-enga ungabathanda abantu besifazane ubazonda but ngifuna ukuni-assurisha ukuthi mina nginithanda ukufa.
And I mean, when you get married, ngizoba investment yakhe mina no bra Steve so besifaka ama bow tie la akudeka tse maroon le tse red sibuka igawuti isiphethe silibele sithi isencane lengane will be there for you my son. It is very important. I hope that the message ifihlile ko gae. The damage yamaka. I normally say lies have small short legs. They run too fast like a kundwan, but they never cover a distance. So let us live with the truth. Let us be proponents of the truth. Let us not gain favors that support abantwana banabaruna by denigrating batubabundati. Let us begin to raise our children with love. Even if the father has gone out, just keep telling them that your father loves you. He's got the right to come and see you. We don't need to have these toxic families that continue to contribute towards the gender-based violence and the hatred that we see. With those few words, I want to say, Knots Foundation, you are doing a wonderful job. Let's continue to do so. If there's a man here, a case against any police station, reporter, and then please feel free to come to talk to us. We are Kulumandota. In closing, here's another mantra. I'm going to say Kuluma, and you say daughter. Daughter, Kuluma. Kuluma! Kuluma! Daughter! 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 Kuluma! 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 Kuluma, man! Daughter! Daughter! Ungakhulumi ngesandla ndoda, khuluma. Ungakhulumi ngesibhamu ndoda, khuluma ngomlomo. Ungakhulumi ngesagila ndoda, khuluma ngomlomo. Ungakhulumi ngommese, khuluma ngomlomo. Khuluma! Sithi phansi ngodlame phansi. Thank you.